What's up guys, you're welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to open up a file in read-only mode with Vim. So there might be times when you just want to read around your code and you don't want to have to do any editing. You just want to maybe browse some code that you found online and you don't want to have to accidentally edit the code because there's no point to doing that. You can tell Vim to make sure that you're opening up the file in read-only mode and you're not able to modify the file. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I'm going to see, let's open up this build.zig file with Vim, and you can see that I can enter insert mode and I can make a lot of bad changes to this file, which I don't want to be able to do. So I'm going to create out of that, and I'm going to open up build.zig with the R flag. Alright. Now what the R flag allows me to do, as you can see, it says when I hit I, you see it says warning changing the read-only file at the bottom here, right? But as you can see, I can still edit it and I can still write to it, which is bad. Alright, we don't want to be able to write to this file at all. So -R doesn't seem to work. So what else can we try? Well, there's a flag in Vim that allows us to tell Vim that we don't want to read at all. Don't give us warnings, just tell us that we cannot read. And this is what the -M does inside of Vim. So when I hit this and I try to edit something, you can see that it says cannot make changes, modifiable result. So this is a really nice way to actually you cannot delete something, for example. You cannot do anything inside of here. You can just view the file and move around, right? And so that's pretty much it. Alright, that's as much as you need to know about this. And another thing I think you could try is to set modifiable. So you could set it to on, for example, and if you set modifiable like this will allow you to be able to modify the file. But this shouldn't, if you don't want to be able to edit it, then you shouldn't have to do that. But if there is a time when maybe you really have to edit this section of the file because you found that this part of the bug has to be fixed, or you just stumbled upon something that you think shouldn't be there, and you want to quickly fix it, but you open it in read-only mode or the non-modifiable mode, then you could use the set modifiable. Just to set modifiable and hit enter, and that should work. Yeah. So that'll be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.